Welcome. This is how to fix Microsoft Teams meeting not showing in Outlook. So guys, if you ever encounter this kind of issue, what you could try to do is just simply go for the file on the top left. And now after that, you could just simply go for the options down below over here. Now here, you could just simply go for the adds in on the left side of this tab. And now from here, you should be able to see Microsoft Access Outlook add-in for data collection and publishing. So make sure that this one is here. If it doesn't, you would just simply make sure to select COM adds in. Now, select go. And after that, make sure to check Microsoft Teams meeting add-in for Microsoft Office. So make sure this is checked and select OK. And after that, guys, you should be able to receive by just simply clicking the refresh icon over here. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And guys, if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.